Today is a short video to show you how you can use mass update and filters. First of all, I'm going to go to our accounts module, and when I'm in the accounts module, you have the filter section that you can select filters that are already present. So for instance, I could look for my accounts. So I can see I have 4 accounts assigned to me. To remove that, we would just hit the blue tick here. As well as having already set filters, you are able to build your own filters. So here I want to say, show me all of the accounts in the industry of banking, for instance. Then I can say, see here I have 23 accounts within the industry of banking. If I wanted to, I could save this filter for later on as well. So industry is banking. Save. So you can now see that this is a saved filter and I can click out of it. If I wanted to go back to select my filter, I can select it here under the filter option. So this then leads me on to mass update. So in the scenario that I'm going to present, I would like to update the industries. So the person that looks after the banking industry, they have moved on, so we need to assign them to a new user. So what I'm going to do here is select all records on this page, but I know there's 23, so I'd like to select all 23 records, as you can see. I'm then going to select mass update from the drop down arrow here. When I'm in mass update, I'm going to search for the assign to, and I'm going to add the new user that I'd like to update them to. So Emma Haines. We're now going to update. As you can see, after I've refreshed my screen, I can see that I have all of these accounts now assigned to Emma. So if we look at one of 23, it's working its way through and updating the records as we speak. All records have been updated to Emma Haines. So that is how you build custom filters and also how you can mass update records. Thanks ever so much.